RecyclerView and why do we use it? Let's understand its theory today using diagrams. Imagine your app has 10,000 contacts. If views are created for all of them at once, your phone's memory will get full and the app will crash. That's why we use RecyclerView. It only creates as many views as fit on the screen. When you scroll, the old views are recycled back. To make this magic work, there are three main components: adapter, ViewHolder, and binding. First, what is the adapter? The adapter is like a manager. It holds all your data, and it decides how and where the items will appear in the list. Second is the ViewHolder. Finding UI elements repeatedly in Android is very slow. The ViewHolder is a safe box that finds and saves the UI elements once. And the third most important part is binding. Binding means connecting the data with the view. When you scroll, the adapter picks up new data and binds it inside the recycled empty ViewHolder. So the adapter brings data, the ViewHolder keeps the UI safe, and binding connects them both. This is how your app runs buttery smooth.